Good morning, everyone. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet. How is everybody this morning? Did you have a great weekend? Let me know in the comments what you did this weekend. Uh, Today is a recap of my week, and it's going to be another crazy one. I told you guys this month of April is insane. I have got so much going on. Insane. So I wanted to show you, I've been working on my puppy dog pal little dogs. I have 4 of them finished. There are 6. I'm halfway done with the 5th one. So it won't take me, I'll be done with it today, and then tomorrow I'll finish the last one. But I wanted to show you the ones I have so far. Here is Marshall. Look at the cuteness. Look at the cuteness. Look at his cute little spots. So there's Marshall. There's Marshall. I think I should have put his hat down a little lower, but it's already sewn on and I'm not taking it off. So there's Marshall. Chase. There's Chase. I hope the little kiddos that get these like them. Let's see who was next. Did I mess up on his? Oh, okay. Then we have oh, let me think. Zuma. I'm starting to learn these names now. Now that I've been making them, Zuma. And then I gotta look this one up because I can't remember his name. I think it's Rubble. But I gotta make sure. Can't remember if I've made him yet. Where? Let's see. Come on. Where is he? I'm working on Rubble right now, so it's not Rubble because I'm working on him. Let me see. Where are you? Okay, here we go. This one is well, where's the top of it? Oh, Rocky. Here's Rocky. So Rocky, Zuma, Marshall, Chase, and Marshall. So I've got these 4 done. Oh, let me put them back over here in this bag. And I'm working on Rubble. And right now it's Rubble. And he's the one with the bulldozer. I don't know if you guys know anything about puppy dog pals, but anyway. Let's see. Nope, that was Zuma. Here's Rubble. That's the one I'm working on right now. So I've got Rubble to finish. And then the last one is where are you? Sky. And I can't wait to make her because she's pink. Yep. So those are cute. So I can't wait to get those going. So this week is nutso. I've got so much going on. I have my homemakers meeting is this morning. So when you watch this, it's probably where I'll be by the time you're watching this. I've got my meeting this morning. I've got a grocery pickup at Walmart. I've got to go by and get the flea and tick stuff for my dog, for little Abby. I don't have anything tomorrow. right as of right now. Then Wednesday, my mom and I are both getting manicures, and I'm getting a pedicure because I don't want my feet looking like they look going on my trip. And then Friday, we leave for Ohio. Yeah. So I'm probably going to have to pre-record some videos for while I'm gone because we're leaving on Friday and not getting back till Tuesday. So as far as the channel goes, let me get some of this out of the way. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. Oh, and then I had somebody contact me wanting a cardigan. And so it's a striped granny. And I think I've got it in my head on how I want to make it. I'm hoping it works out. But these are the colors. I showed her all the colors. I'm going to turn the camera around over here to my table. Don't look at my mess. But there's her colors. They're all pastel and a bright orange. So I told her, I said, I've got a lot going on. It's going to be probably the end of May before I can get started on it. And she said, no problem. It is a cardigan. I won't be wearing it anytime soon. So take your time. So I said, okay. That's the kind of orders I like. Take your time. Because I will. So I've got that. Got to finish my hexie cardigan. Um, so for this week, let me look at my calendar here. For this week, we have letter. Is it? What did I do last week? Let me look at my notes. I am drawing a blank uh, on what this letter is. I think we're on W, and I can't find my notebook. Here it is, right in front of my face. Okay, here. Let's see here. Yeah, we did the V stitch last week. Woo! So W is this week's letter for Technique Tuesday A to Z. So we're almost at the end of the alphabet, guys. We're getting close. So we have the letter W for Tuesday. Wednesday is Battle of the Stitches. We're doing the griddle stitch. I'll be showing you my finished project, and I can't wait till y'all see it. I think it's turning out really cute. So we've got that. I will be live Wednesday night at 9 p.m. Central with Dawn Yarndahl on her channel. She has asked me and Shannon from the Spoony Stitcher to be guests on her live. So that's pretty awesome. Then Thursday, I am getting really close to finishing the tank top from the 24-hour book. So I'll be showing you the finished tank top by Thursday. And there's another surprise coming on Thursday too, but I can't tell you about it right now. You'll just have to watch my channel to see what it is. And then Friday I leave on my trip. So, leave for Ohio. And I am so excited because when we come back from Ohio, my friend Shelly will be coming back with me. And so on the next Thursday, the 24th, Shelly will be here. So she'll be on the live with me and Shannon. I'm so excited. And then I will have another live on the 29th for the Battle of the Stitches. And that'll be from California. By the last Tuesday, the last Tuesday of this month, I will be at my friend's house in California. And so we will do our Battle of the Stitches live on the 29th at 5 p.m. Pacific time. It'll be 7 p.m. Central, 8 Eastern. But I've got to remember I'm on Pacific time when I'm out there. So I've got it written in my calendar what time to start at her time so that I don't mess that up. So yeah, that's kind of what's going on. I'm so excited. I've got things packed. I'm starting to pack some stuff up. And while Shelly's here, you can tell from this monstrosity of a mess over here. My yarn room, once again, has gone into total chaos. And so my friend Shelly is the master organizer. I have never seen anyone who can look at a space and then in her head she can go, oh, yeah, this would be perfect over here. And we need to organize this way. And this over here would look right. And when she's done, it looks amazing. And I've got some ideas for organizing that I hope you know what, I may just make a video of it because she does such a good job with organizing that we may just do a video and show you how we organize this room, because this mess over here, all of this is getting ready to go because I need this workspace. So we got to figure out what to do with all of this mess and then reorganize the yarn that I've got over there. Well, what you guys can't, well, you might be able to see. Oh, yep, right there. See that bookshelf right there? Yeah, that bookshelf, everything's coming off of it. There is stuff on that shelf. There's games up there that I know doesn't have all the pieces to it. So we're going to go through everything on that shelf and I'm going to get rid of all kinds of crap on that shelf that I can get rid of. And I may even start it this week if I've got a moment. But I'm going to go through and get all that mess off of there. And then the bottom shelf is going to be the game shelf because the grandsons, when they want to play a game, they come up to that shelf to get a game. So I'm going to organize all the games on that bottom shelf. Then the other, let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there's 5. I was thinking there was just 4. Okay. Anyway, that bottom shelf's going to be all their games. Maybe this one, it just depends. Then the rest are probably games and then books. And these 3 shelves right here, I'm going to organize mainly partly what's over here, but mainly down here on the floor, I've got all of these bins, that these little square basket bins that have my whips in them. And my whips are going to go on those shelves so they're not taking up space on my floor. And it looks nicer. So that's kind of part of my organizing. But yeah, I think that might be a really good video, is to just do little snippets here and there of our organizing and how we're doing it. Yep, that's what we're going to do. That is exactly what we're going to do. Yeah. Let's see. So she will get here we'll get back on Tuesday. It's going to be late in the afternoon. So probably we'll have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So surely within 3 days we can get this room looking better. Pray for us because it's a hot mess up in here. And then I didn't even show you back here. You can't even see it. Around this wall right here, there is a niche back there. And I got all kinds of stuff back there too. Another thing is right across from this doorway, from this door right here, across there is my son's old bedroom. He has moved everything out, so he's got an empty closet in there. So guess what? There's going to be a lot of stuff moved into that empty closet. I've got Rubbermaid tubs full of scrap yarn, full of finished projects and stuff that I need to sell and get rid of. But until I do that, it's all going in that closet. So yeah, lots and lots going on. So stay tuned next week and see how we organize this mess of a room. And I say it every time I organize it, but this time I mean it. I am really going to work. I think getting all this cleared off, giving myself some space, I really think I'm going to be able to keep it organized. So, yeah. So that's what's going on today in my world and this week. It's supposed to be a really nice day today. I think right now, it's showing 56 degrees right now, but it's supposed to get up to 78 today. So nice, nice, beautiful day. I've got errands to run, things to do. So I'm going to get off of here. But stay tuned tomorrow for letter W. And if you haven't already guessed on my last week's Tuesday video, go ahead and guess on this one. What do you think I am going to make with the letter W? And we will see. We will play that out for you tomorrow. So I hope you guys have a great afternoon. Just a little recap today, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Have a great day, guys.